temperature and humidity control were performed in a greenhouse. The system has two inputs and one output, which are represented by membership functions. Each of the inputs has different ranges and values, which can be seen in the following diagram. The humidity and temperature of the greenhouse are being measured by a DHT11 sensor, which sends information to the open-source microcontroller board Arduino. The data is processed and sent through the serial port to the computer to be analyzed in Matlab with a code that represents a Mandani fuzzy inference system. The code was verified by designing the Mandani fuzzy inference system with the toolbox and comparing the results obtained. This is the 3D graph which represents the system behavior. Finally, the value of the centrum obtained from the program is sent back through the serial port to the Arduino to control the fan speed. In order to appreciate the behavior of the system, a LED was included, whose light intensity is regulated with the same value as the fan power. For a small demo of the system, we put a finger close to the sensor for increased temperature and humidity, so we can see the result. Now, we can see that velocity is medium, and if I put the finger again, the power of the fan is increasing. So, this is the behavior of the system.